Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best glue for motorcycle helmets. Whether you're looking to boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, or just keep your engine running smooth, I've got you covered. This list is based on my personal experience and research, factoring in price, quality, durability, and overall value. If you want more details or a deeper review of each product, be sure to visit our website at www.bikerguides.com, and of course, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and engine tips. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Tusk Grip Glue 5 ml Gel Tube for Motorcycle and ATV. Tusk Grip Glue is a compact, high-performance adhesive designed specifically for securing grips on motorcycles and ATVs. Formulated as a silicone-based gel, it bonds effectively to rubber, plastic, and silicone surfaces, ensuring a firm, slip-free hold. The 5 ml single-use tube offers just the right amount for one installation, making it ideal for quick repairs or upgrades. Easy to apply and fast setting, Tusk Grip Glue keeps your handlebars secure through rugged rides and tough terrain. Number 2. Cruzex B 7000 Tacky Gel Glue. Cruzex B 7000 is a versatile, crystal-clear gel adhesive designed for precision crafting and jewelry making. Its waterproof, highly elastic formula bonds a wide range of materials including wood, glass, leather, ceramic, plastic, metal, rubber, fabric, and PVC. The built-in precision nozzle ensures clean, pinpoint application, while the cap's integrated pin prevents clogging. Ideal for rhinestones, metal components, phone repairs, and DIY projects, it dries rock-hard and remains flexible. With 30 to 35% solid content, it offers strong adhesion and self-leveling performance. Allow 24 hours for full cure and enjoy reliable support from Cruzex's responsive customer service. Number 3. Kiss Super Glue, versatile cyanoacrylate adhesive for craft and repair. Kiss Super Glue is a powerful, fast-drying adhesive designed for a wide range of materials including wood, leather, PVC, metal, glass, ceramic, vinyl, and more. Its cyanoacrylate formula creates strong, adaptive bonds, both flexible and rigid, making it ideal for leatherworking, woodworking, crafts, and repairs. The bottle features a long-lasting shelf life with a built-in pin cap to prevent clogging. Waterproof once set, it offers a balanced working time for precise application. Whether you're fixing shoe soles, crafting with cork, or bonding non-polystyrene foams, Kiss delivers reliable performance across countless surfaces. Number 4. Paisley Motorcycle Grip Glue, fast-drying cyanoacrylate adhesive. Paisley Grip Glue offers a quick, strong bond for motorcycle, bicycle, ATV, and snowmobile grips. Made from cyanoacrylate, it cures in seconds and ensures a secure, slip-free hold. Waterproof and long-lasting, it resists moisture and wear for reliable performance over time. Easy to apply with the included dropper, it requires no tools or prep, just open and use. Ideal for grip repairs or installations, this liquid adhesive bonds tightly to plastic and other materials. Backed by responsive customer service, Paisley ensures satisfaction with every application. Number 5. Weatherstrip and Gasket Adhesive. This 5 fluid ounces adhesive is designed for tough automotive applications, bonding weather stripping, headliners, gaskets, and more. It forms a flexible, waterproof seal that resists vibration, oils, solvents, detergents, and temperature changes, ideal for permanent repairs. Easy to brush and spread directly from the tube, it saves time during installation. Compatible with vinyl, metal, fabric, and rubber surfaces, this adhesive ensures a strong, lasting bond across a wide range of materials.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.